this is the site of one of the Iranian drone strikes this morning here in Kyiv. This is my sport life. This is where I went to work out yesterday morning. This morning it was the site of a Russian terrorist attack. And severely damaged the 101 tower building. What a shame. So that was the Sport Life entrance, 6th floor, 6th etage. I think this one was around 8:30 this morning. I don't think I'll be working out here anytime soon. It's a direct hit on the Sport Life. Direct hit. Seriously. Crazy. There's buildings over here too, but I swear that's exactly where the Sport Life was. More bus stop. This guy was at the wrong place at the wrong time. Just the wrong place, the wrong time.